Yes, hello once again, and I'm called Samuel. So, what we are going to do in this tutorial, in the last tutorial, we assigned a password to the teacher that we created in tutorial 6. So now we are going to assign a subject to a teacher that we created in tutorial 6. That was Mr. Hilary Chwanuka. So Mr. Hiraichwan, we have to assign him a subject. After assigning him a subject, it means the Hirari can enter topic scores for this subject. That is why we are assigning him a subject. If he's not assigned a specific subject, it means Hirari cannot enter topic marks for that subject. So to assign a subject to Mr. Hiraichwanuka, that is a role of an administrator. So I'm logged in. As you can see, I'm a Schoolpesa admin for this school. So I'm going to assign Mr. Hiraichwanka. So what I will do, I'm going to go to class management and then I select assign subject teacher. So when I select assign subject teacher, remember this is a new teacher, so I will click add. I'm going to click the button add because I want to add Hirari. So Hilary Chwanuka teaches physical education in S2A. So I'm going to give physical education in S2A. So S2A. So I select a class called S2A. I click search and then it will return existing teachers. Then I'll click add again here. Remember, I want to add Hilary Chwanuka here. So I'm going to select a subject that Hilary Chwanuka will teach. I will say physical education. Then I will select Hilary Chwanuka. So you can see that we already had subjects and their teachers that were assigned. So Hilary Chwanuka, if we assign him physical education, we have to save and then that will be done. So to check whether we have really saved and Hilary Chwanuka has entered, then we just go here and search and see the existing teachers in S2A. So the teachers here that have been assigned in S2A for this subject, they are the only ones that can log in and give topic scores for students in this S2A. No other teacher can do this. So it means either the Chwanuka is here and can now add marks to physical education for students in S2A. That means Hilary Chwanuka is not assigned chemistry and cannot add marks for chemistry in S2A. Chemistry is already assigned to John Senabulia. So that was the goal of this tutorial. Yes, if you want to delete an assigning, you can click here. For example, let us delete John Senabulia is teaching chemistry and math, so you can see he's assigned twice. So Chamba de Daniel is assigned the 3 times because he's teaching 3 subjects. So I can say maybe we want to assign another teacher English, so I can delete Chambade. Chambade is no longer teaching English, so I will save. Yeah, I think that covers what we wanted to do. If we can search, we can see that Mr. Hilary is now able to add marks for physical education in S2A. And that was the goal of this tutorial, to assign a subject to a teacher in a class section. Yes, and that is done. And in the next tutorial, we are now going to cover how this teacher is going to access the web portal. The teacher is going to use his phone number and the pin or password we gave him, a default one, then he logs in. Thank you, and bye.